Welcome to a quick, practical guide on how to turn off Gmail, Smart Reply, suggestions in chat. If you've ever felt like the auto responses are buzzing at you a little too much, this video will show you how to disable them smoothly and keep your chats clean and personal. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to adjust and you're ready to go. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will slide out a side panel with a few options to choose from. Next, from the menu, scroll down and select Settings. This section contains the controls for many features across your Gmail experience, so you'll want to be in the right place before making changes. In Settings, tap on the email account for which you want to disable Smart Reply in chat. If you have multiple accounts linked, repeat this step for each one as needed. Now, look for the feature labeled Smart Reply in chat. It may be grouped with other chat or smart features depending on your app version. Scroll until you find it. The label should clearly indicate it's related to Smart Reply in chat. Once you've located it, you'll see a simple / off switch or a checkbox next to the option. To disable Smart Reply in chat, uncheck the box or toggle the switch off. This stops the automatic reply suggestions from appearing when you're chatting in Gmail. If you ever want to re-enable it later, just reverse the same steps and turn the feature back on. A quick tip: if you're managing multiple devices, you might want to apply the change on each device to ensure a consistent experience. Also, keep in mind that some newer app updates may slightly adjust the wording or layout, but the path remains the same. Settings, your account, Smart Reply in chat, disable. That's all there is.